Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of tutorial Interface Python with MySQL. In this tutorial we are going to see installing MySQL connector in Windows 10 machine. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box first, then type CMD and press OK. It will open the command prompt. On that command prompt we will have to write the command pip install mysql-connector-python. This will install the MySQL connector. In order to install MySQL connector Python using the pip command, you should have an active internet connection at this time. So let me first check whether the MySQL connector has been installed or not. So we will write the import command, import mysql.connector. If it does not give any message, any error, that means MySQL connector has already been installed on your machine. If it generates error, that means it is not available right now. So when we run the command, we found an error that no module named MySQL. That means we will have to install MySQL connector. So for that we will have to press Windows key and R. It will give you the run dialog box. From in run dialog box, type the CMD command and press OK. This will open your terminal window, or we can say command prompt. Here on the command prompt we will type the pip command, pip install mysql dash connector dash python and press enter. It will take some time. So now successfully installed mysql dash connector dash python 8.0.20. That means it has been installed successfully. After installing, we can again check the same import command in Python shell mysql.connector. So we will see this time we haven't got any error. That means now it has been successfully installed. There is a possibility that when you want to run this command, that is pip install mysql dash connector dash python, it says Python is not on the path, or it can generate any of the error. In that case we will have to go to the script folder where pip command is installed, and there we will have to write this pip command. How to go to that folder or how to reach to that place, let me explain to you how we can do so. So we will first type ideally in the search box, or if you have a shortcut on the desktop you can use that shortcut. So since I am using 3.8 version, I will have to use this ideally instead of 3.7. so I will right click on it and I will say open file location. So when I do so, it takes me to an shortcut icon of the application. That means this is not the real application, we have to go to the real application. So again here on this shortcut as well, I will right click and I will say open file location. So now we can see we are at the file location python w.exe, and here we find the script folder. In the script folder we have the pip command. So this is the path of your pip.exe file. So we will have to go to this folder. So we will have to go to C drive, users, Hitesh, app data, local, programs, python 38-32, and then scripts. Let me copy it. We will go to the command prompt. We will write the change directory command, that is cd, and we will paste that link here. Not the link, the complete path, and press enter. So now we are inside the C drive users. It is app data, local programs, Python 38-32 plus script. Here we will apply the pip install mysql dash connector dash python. You will have to do this only if the previous method of installing mysql connector dash python fails. If it is successful, you don't have to do anything extra, but if it is not successful, there is a problem of searching for the path of pip command, then you will have to do all these things. So let me press enter. Now it will say is the requirement already satisfied, it is already installed, that means there is no need to reinstall it, and it is successful, it is successfully installed. So thank you. This is how we can install MySQL connector on Windows 10. Similar steps can be used on other operating system as well. In the next video we will see how to connect to MySQL from Python. Thank you.